Hi there, and welcome to Let's Learn with Josh, Practical Professional Education. Today, we're going to take a look at getting started with BigCommerce. It's going to be a practical overview of using BigCommerce stores, and in this course, we'll show you how to set up a new store and explain BigCommerce technology and its limitations. So, who is this course for? It's a great way to get introduced to the BigCommerce platform, its features, and its limitations. This is going to be primarily for non-technical users, but we'll touch on some technical elements. So ideally, it's for decision makers who wish to review and compare to evaluate costs, set expectations for users, and understand the limitations of new technology. It's for users and managers who want to learn basic usage, review features, and get help, or as a reference. And finally, it's ideal for startups and small businesses who want to evaluate the platform, maybe set up their first store, and learn features and usage. So is BigCommerce for you? Well, BigCommerce is an e-commerce software as a service. This means it's a microservice that supplies a specific feature set to your application. BigCommerce also hosts its own stores, allowing small businesses to take advantage of the platform and utilize its potential before upgrading to enterprise. Through this course, you can evaluate whether it will fit your needs, and we can consider the following features that BigCommerce offers over something like self-hosted or its competitors. First of all, if you need high availability in multiple regions, then BigCommerce as a microservice is ideally situated to help you reduce cost of infrastructure and management. It offers predictable pricing, allowing you to scale up with while maintaining your budget and your price predictions. It's a headless solution, which means it's highly performant and can be integrated into most application stacks, allowing you to take advantage of the technology without utilizing the front-end themes or the front-end technology that BigCommerce offers for small businesses. It's a great place for app developers to integrate their existing apps with this technology to take advantage of increased feature sets and extensibility. Developers can develop powerful apps that integrate with the BigCommerce APIs and extend functionality of their systems as well as the BigCommerce system. If you expect to grow quickly, and who doesn't, you can expect that BigCommerce can scale reliably with your business. If you're maintaining your own servers and your own infrastructure, this can be an incredible challenge as your e-commerce sales increase. So taking advantage of e-commerce as a service is ideal for those who don't have the technical expertise to manage their overhead infrastructure. And finally, for small businesses, BigCommerce offers powerful themes. Most of the BigCommerce app or BigCommerce store themes are rather simple, and they're easy to maintain and easy to update as the platform evolves. Complex themes can be custom developed for your specific use case or can be offered through partners. So let's take a look at the plans that you can sign up for. BigCommerce is an enterprise software. However, they offer a small business essentials plan to help you get started and evaluate the platform. For small businesses that are generating less than $400,000, you can take advantage of any of these three plans. They start at $39 a month and go to $400. And they offer a competitive package of features that allow you to integrate into your microservice or simply set up as a new shop. The Small Business Essentials plans start with a standard $39 a month plan, which includes unlimited products and users and multiple inventory locations. It's for those processing less than $50,000 in annual sales, and that $50,000 is calculated from a trailing 12-month period, meaning that it's not the fiscal year that they're looking at the sales, but rather the previous 12 months to see if you met that standard. And if you're more than $50,000, it'll automatically move you up to the next tier and so on until you reach the enterprise. Above $400,000 in annual sales, and there are tiers to the Pro account, which you can add additional cost, monthly cost for additional processing power up to a certain extent before you get to enterprise. All the plans include unlimited products and users, which is a nice competitive advantage. Multiple inventory locations and discounted credit card rates for those looking to get it started quickly or don't have their merchant accounts already. Multiple storefronts are available, so you can separate your business by wholesale and retail, or by specialized marketing incentives, or really however you want, and utilize the same backend or the same catalog. This comes as an additional surcharge, and the number of storefronts is different with each of the plans. There is a 12-month discount available for each of the plans, so you can sign up and commit to 1 year, paying upfront for up to, I believe, 15% discount at this time. If you upgrade to the Plus plan, you'll get abandoned cart emails to help recover customers who didn't check out, and you'll get customer group segmentation, which helps you with marketing activities per type of customer that you assign to them. So you can think of, you might have architects and designers, you might have wholesale and retail, you might have customers and just different marketing campaigns that you wish to segment. And finally, with the Pro plan, you get abandoned cart emails and Google Store reviews, and you get advanced filters for the e-commerce platform. With advanced filters, you can turn custom fields into powerful filters on the catalog list pages. This helps with search, as well as usability and overall experience. Now, if you want to go beyond 400,000, or you wish to increase the features that you have access to, such as unlimited API calls for developers, then you'll need an enterprise plan. The enterprise plan is the core of BigCommerce's software as a service and extends the reliability expectations that developers rely on for modern application stacks. First off, it offers the reliability of 99.99% uptime guarantee without a standard SLA, which means you can negotiate even stronger uptime guarantees in your regions. You can deploy your store to multiple regions: United States, Asia, South America, and Commerce as a software offers powerful order APIs and storefront APIs within BigCommerce, as well as SDKs for developers, allowing you to integrate natively into almost any application stack. You have unlimited developer API calls, which allows you to take away the headache of managing your API calls per request day. So that's an overview of what BigCommerce is and if it might be for you. Now we're going to take a look at the lesson plan of going through and creating a store. In this course, we'll go through and create a store from scratch, signing up for the service as a trial and building our first storefront. We'll see how to add new content pages such as blogs and web pages, new categories and products, and take a look at the limitations of the system for large catalogs. So with that, let's get started. First, we're going to take a look at reviewing a storefront, a typical BigCommerce storefront with a typical theme.